Glam Squad, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I created this look using all Makeup Revolution products. Last time I did a brand focused tutorial with Makeup Revolution, you guys absolutely loved it. So this video is dedicated to Makeup Revolution. I know it's super easy for everyone to get their hands on their products and super affordable as well. This is also a collaboration with my good friend Shiva. We have been friends for the last, oh my gosh, like 5-6 years here on YouTube. We met through YouTube. I've never actually met her in person, but she is the sweetest person ever and she's so super talented. So make sure you check out her channel as well. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. I'm so happy to have you here and I really hope you subscribe before you leave.
Hello interruption. Hi, my name is Shiv. If we haven't met before, I bet you're thinking, who is this strange lady on Sarah's channel? What's she doing? Well, I'll tell you what I'm doing. My name is Shiv. If we haven't met before, I'm going to be doing this look for you right here over on my channel, so definitely go ahead and check that out. It will be in the description box below, or you can type Shiv on Makeup Biz into YouTube. Me and Sarah have both created some looks using a full face of Revolution. Almost. Anyway, I created kind of like a purpley pink sultry kind of vibe, which is perfect for date night, which is actually what I'm going on tonight. And yeah, I kind of give my thoughts on my favourite Revolution products, what I'm not too keen on, what I really love and that kind of thing. So if you would like to see how I created this look, head on over to my channel after you've watched Sarah's video. And yeah, I shall see you over on my channel after this video. This is really weird. I'm envisioning myself talking on someone else's video. Okay, bye.
To begin, I started the look by filling in my brows using the medium brown cream. I've been using this for a few months now and I love how soft and creamy it is. It's very easy to work with and very comparable to high-end brands like Anastasia, Beverly Hills and Benefit. It's like half the price and it hasn't dried out on me yet. I will leave my brow lesson linked at the top of this video if you want to check that out. So moving on to the eye makeup, I'm using the Sophie X palette and I'm creating a spotlight smoky eye. I use the soft brown matte medium shade as my transition and to contour my lid. Apply this with a nice fluffy blending brush back and forth across your crease and then slowly blend whatever is left on the brush up towards your brow bone for a natural fade. Taking a medium-sized blending brush, I use this burnt orange shade and applied this back and forth across the crease of my eye. Whatever you do, make sure you never pass out your transition shade. This always needs to be the highest eyeshadow on the lid. It's very subtle, but it makes a huge difference and ensures a natural, even, smooth blend. Then I took the eyeshadow and applied it very lightly to the inner and outer corners, leaving the middle of the eye completely blank. Taking a teeny weeny blending brush like this one from Your Makeup, I took a little bit of this reddish brown shade and the dark brown shade and I'm using this on the outer corner and the inner corner. So this is going to create a little bit of depth and definition to the eye to make sure that the middle of the eye is really going to stand out later. So I like to pop those colours on and then softly blend them out and join them through the center. So you're going back and forth across the crease and then blending out the inner and outer corner. Make sure you take your time with this and go back and use a clean blending brush if you need to soften out any edges and make sure there's no harsh lines. Next, I'm taking the concealer in white and using this teeny weeny little brush, I'm just going to pack it right on the center of the eye. Then I'm going to go back with a more fluffier flat eyeshadow brush and just pack this down to make sure it's completely dry, because if you open your eyes it's going to stick onto the lid. So make sure it's completely dry before you open your eye fully. Next, taking a flat eyeshadow brush and a little bit of this bronzy gold shade and the gold eyeshadow, I'm going to pack this right onto the center of the lid, right on top of the concealer. And the reason why we used a white concealer is because it's going to make those shimmery shades really pop and stand out compared to the rest of the eye, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Once your gold eyeshadow is in place, I like to just go back and soften out the edges. So I'm taking a bit more of the brown and I'm just blending right around the gold shade. Make sure that everything blends smoothly in together. It wouldn't be a smoky eye if you didn't take it right down to your lower lash line. I find the best way to do this is to take a pencil brush and a little bit more of the burnt kind of orange shade and the brown shade, just mix them together and just softly blend this on the lower lash line. I actually added some black pencil liner to my waterline as well to really make my eyes pop. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of liner. I absolutely adore this pen liner, or pen liners in general, because I just find they're so easy to use, especially if you're a beginner at liner. A product like this is going to save your life. If you struggle to apply false lashes, it's a really good idea to use a little bit of liner before you apply your lashes, because it will hide the lash band or any mistakes that you've made. I then finished off the look by applying a little bit of mascara and some false eyelashes. These are the Sosu travel lashes that you can get on Ryanair flights. And then I just took a little bit of the matte white and the shimmery white, and I just applied this on my brow bone and also right in the inner corner of my eye. This just really ties the whole look together and makes your eyes pop. Moving on to the face, I'm using this baking oil. I don't know why it's called baking oil. It's a primer for your foundation. It's beautiful, it's creamy, it's amazing for dry skin, I must say. You can even see the glow on my skin here. Just, oh my god, it's gorgeous. So I just applied my foundation off camera, and now I'm going in with concealer. I love this concealer. It's a little bit more drying than concealers I've used before, but I do love the coverage of it. It's really easy to work with concealer, and I'm just patting this in under the eyes using a really detailed brush. And then I'm finishing off with highlighter. This is the strobing highlighter. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. It's very subtle, it's soft, perfect if you like a more natural look, but it gives you, you know, an overall glow to the face without looking very obvious that you're wearing highlighter. And I finished off with lipstick. I did kind of cheat here. I didn't have a Makeup Revolution liner, so I used Kylie Jenner Expose. Just applied this on before the lipstick just to finish off the look. That's it. I really hope you enjoy it, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!